Hey guys, Skill Toys and Games here, and today we're going to be doing another kendama video. I'll be showing you how to do the trick around Japan. And it looks like this. To do this trick, you're going to want to learn the separate tricks: big cup, small cup, and spike. To start off the trick, you're going to want to let the tama sit at the bottom. Then you're going to pop the tama onto big cup. Then you're going to pop it to small cup. Then, if you get the perfect positioning like we talked about in the cup to spike video, you're going to want to push it out like we said, so it should be aiming towards you for perfect position. You're going to push it out so it rotates, and you can get the can right under it and get it on the spike. And again, it looks like this. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.